Innovative engineering, world-class portable machining equipment. Your needs are unique, and our solutions are unique to you. PROTEM is the recognized world leader in the design and manufacture of portable machining equipment. Our extensive range of equipment includes tube and pipe bevelers, orbital tube cutting and beveling machines, split frames, tube squaring machines, pipe facing machines, high-speed cutting and beveling benches, flange and valve facing machines. Special machines for the construction, maintenance, and dismantling of nuclear power plants. These machines help lengthen the life and improve the performance of critical components. Our equipment is ideal for use in extreme conditions, hazardous areas, subsea, ionized radiation, and other specific environments. No matter the conditions, we have a machine that will meet your needs. Our machines are suitable for all materials: stainless steel, mild or alloy steels, duplex, super duplex, Inconel, and virtually all exotic alloy. PROTEM has a machine applicable to any project: cutting, beveling, facing, counterboring, coating removal, squaring, pipeline construction and repair. We can offer you solutions that meet all your operational requirements. We serve many major industries worldwide, including but not limited to power generation, oil and gas, shipbuilding, tube processing, high purity applications, aerospace, and defense. PROTEM has achieved excellence in engineering machining equipment to meet the needs of our customers worldwide. Our versatile, innovative, durable, and high-precision machines have earned an enviable reputation for their performance and reliability in even the harshest environments. We have become the world's most trusted manufacturer of pipe, tube, flange, valve, and specialty machining equipment. Let us put our technical expertise and experience to work for you.